Hi children, welcome to Edu Cub. Today we are with the second part of 10th lesson in grade 9 science. The lesson is electrolysis. Today's our subtopic is electroplating. You have discussed some activities in previous video. Then you would have observed the deposition of copper on the negative electrode. So you have to investigate whether copper can be deposited on a certain object. In activity 10.4, you will need aqueous copper sulfate solution, a clean copper plate, a clean iron nail, a beaker, connecting wires, two dry cells of 1.5 volt. Let's see what we have to do in here. Connect dry cells to the copper plate and the iron nail as shown in the figure and dip them at once in the copper sulfate solution. Record your observation. In this activity, you can observe that copper plate gradually dissolved and copper is deposited on the iron nail. The plating of a certain metal on another surface using electricity is referred as electroplating. For electroplating, the metal that needs to be plated should be used as the positive electrode and the object that is plated should be used as the negative electrode. The electrolyte used needs to be a solution of a salt of a metal that used to be plated. Take the iron nail you used in above activity to your hand and touch its plating with your fingers. You will observe that copper plating will be removed from the nail and comes to your fingertips. This shows that plating occurs in this way is not good quality. Let's consider the characteristics of high quality electroplate. So, the coating should be firmly adhered to the surface subjected to plating. The coating should be of confirmed thickness. The coating should be shiny. Such a high quality plating occurs when the electrochemical change takes place very slowly. The electrolyte, that means salt solution, used for this has to be very dilute. The chemical change occurring can also be slowed down by passing a very low current through the solution. This can be effected by applying a low potential difference. In chemical industries, high quality electroplating is done by controlling the condition appropriately. Plating of metals like nickel and chromium on iron trays is an example. This gives a beautiful silver appearance to the tray. Let's discuss about the applications of electroplating. Pay your attention to vases, trays, door locks offering a golden or silvery luster which are being used at home. Very often, the luster of these objects is due to a metal layer deposited on them. In order to prevent rusting of parts of water vehicles, they are coated with a thin metallic layer by electroplating. Mostly, metal like copper, silver, gold, nickel and chromium are plated like this. In such instances, the metal plate has certain property which is lacking in the metal which is subjected to plating. Resistance to corrosion, attractive color, luster, and good finish are some of such properties. Electroplating nickel metal on iron tray protects it from rusting and also give it an attractive appearance. Electroplating a copper jewelry with gold adds value to it and gives it a rich look. Now you can see two figures of some electroplated kitchen equipment and some electroplated spare parts. Thank you. Let's meet with new video 11th lesson, density.